crazy.
YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gap, and today we will be unboxing the Traxxas Rs200 Mini Rally, baby. I know I'm late to the game, but who cares? It is what it is. But I'm glad I waited because this is a special edition. This is not the white one. But with no further ado, man, let's get into the box, man. We're not gonna do a whole lot of rambling on and on, man. We just gonna get this thing popped open. We're gonna go through some of the specs right quick. We have a 3500 kV motor. We have the VXL 3S ESC. This car comes with the 2S LiPo. It's able to run 2S and 3S. You have the steel gears. You have a metal geared servo. You have the clipless body mount. It actually comes with the fan this time and a center diff. So, and it comes with the TQI radio with the TSM. So let's pop this box, man. We're gonna make this nice and sweet, man, and fast. I want to try a few new tires on this. I just got a funny feeling that I'm not gonna like the tires on this car. So I do have that funny feeling. So for off-road maybe, but on-road, no, not gonna like it. I also may change the ESC on this car because, you know, a lot of Traxxas cars, once you take out the, you change the ESC, when you change the receiver, I'm sorry, sometimes the ESC dumbs itself down to 50%. But here's your TQI with your stability management. Pretty good remote, man. Pretty good remote. Traxxas remotes are some of the best RTR remotes that you can get your hands on. Let's get this out the box. I opened it the wrong way. I think I did. All right. Going over what else comes in the box. You have your manual. You have some shock clips. This doesn't have threaded body shocks. You have to put the little shock spacers on. It comes with your charger and looks like some extra number stickers in there that we probably won't use. This out of the way. Got some clips down there. There's your 2S battery right there. Let me lift my camera up just slightly. All right, there's your 2S battery right there. I don't know why Traxxas just didn't give us the 3S. Just didn't give us the 3S. A Traxxas LiPo battery. It is a 3500 2S 25C 50C burst. 2S brake, soft pack. Whoa, that was tough. Let's get that out of there, man. Get that out of there, man. And voila, there she goes, y'all. The gray one. She looks good. Let me get my light down some so y'all can see that a little bit better. Woo, right there, man. She looks pretty darn good, man. Check it out. Check it out. The gray and black is crushing, man. Crushing, man. Like I said, I'm late to the party, man, but better late than never. Let's pop the body off. 2 clips on the side. I'm gonna show you the inside, man. It's a trillion unboxings on this car, man, so we not gonna go crazy with the unboxing. Just gonna show it. Try to change the wheels. Hopefully the hubs are different than the hubs on the XRT, because if they're not, then no other tire is gonna fit. But these hubs do look a little smaller, but I don't know if we're gonna have the clearance, baby. But there she goes on the inside. That's the VXL system in there. Let's get this out of here. My first run video, I'm definitely gonna just run it stock, all the way stock. I'm not gonna change anything out. Just gonna run it completely stock, probably on just 2S. I know it's not gonna be a speed demon. It's only gonna give you about 39 miles per hour, but we gonna run it. Then we're gonna pop a 3S in there and do a speed test. And then I'm gonna make my decision whether I'm gonna take this ESC out. But unlike the first XRT Mini, this actually comes with the fan. I know people were still having overheating issues when they don't change out the gearing. I don't really normally run for a long time like that. So I'm gonna run the motor on 3S just right out of the box. I'm not gonna change that gearing. I'm gonna run 3S right out of the box. And if I start having overheating issues, I'll just pull this system out, put me something in there that I know won't overheat. But there she goes, man. That's the 3500 kV motor. What I do like about these the XRT and this one, not the other two, not the Slash and the Sledge. I mean the Slash and the Mini Max. These actually come with 10 scale components, man, and that makes it much better. That makes the car, you know, you don't really have to do much to it out of the box like how you have to do with the Mini Max and the Mini Slash. So hold tight, man. We're gonna try these wheels out, put the body back on, and we're gonna get out of here. So hold tight. The first wheel comes off. This is the wheel that I was about to order, but from the looks of it, I'm glad I didn't order it. But this came off of my Tamiya TTO2, and then this one probably gonna fit better. It comes off of the Rollarlo XTS F10 rally car. And they look like more of a fit, but they are a little bit bigger than the actual stock wheel. So let's see. All right, there's the start wheel. Oh no, it's pretty close. No, y'all can't see that, but it's a little bit taller, but the width, matter of fact, it's probably about 2 millimeters thinner, but about 1.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters taller. This one is way smaller. It's not gonna work. I was looking for something for the street, really. Oh, is it gonna work? It's close. It is close, but I think it's gonna work. It actually fit. Is it scrubbing? Slightly. Yeah, it's scrubbing slightly. No, it's not. It looks straight on there though. It's kind of small. Let's see what it's gonna look like with the body. Let's see what it's gonna look like. I love that wheel style though. I ain't even gonna front. I really like the style of that wheel, the one that comes off of my Tamiya. But it does look a little small. Why this body won't clamp on? I know I'm doing it right. There's nothing in the way. Am I putting it on backwards? Oh, servo's up there. Goodness gracious. But anyway, you know this gonna be off y'all to see because of my camera angle, but it looks pretty good. If I can just get the body to clip on, we can really test it and see what it looks like. Goodness gracious, there we go. Pretty tight for the first time. So yeah, y'all see it, and let me see if I can see it. See what it looks like for me. Yeah, it looks funny. It's too little. All right, so let's get that off. Let's get this Rolalo one on. I know it should fit perfectly. It may be a little too big though. Let's see if it goes in a little bit further than that. We get it to get it on the hex. There we go. Got it on the hex. But I'm gonna tell you, just being honest, this black looks better on here to me than the white. I know the white kind of brings the contrast out a little bit more, but I'm kind of a matchy person. You know, I know, you know, nowadays it's not about, you know, the matchy don't really work for people, but me, I grew up matchy. And I kind of like for my stuff to match a little bit. So yeah, to me it looks much better. Let y'all see it with the Rolalo wheel. Yeah, that black look good. I'm gonna have to order me a set of the Rolalo size, the Rolalo wheel. All right, guys, we're back, and we're gonna let y'all check it out, man. Y'all see the white wheels? The white wheels has a lot of contrast. It kind of, you know, it kind of does bring out, you know, the specks of white in the body a little bit, but this, to me, this is the bomb.com, y'all. So we're definitely gonna run it on the stock tires, and they're very hard, no foam, real thin, super duper hard, and these are super soft. Yes, sir. So we're gonna try. I know they're gonna balloon a little bit, so it may rub the body a little bit more, but the offset seems to be fine. It may hit in the front. Now, what I don't want to do is cut these wheels because they actually drive excellent on my my Rolalo. So it looks good though, y'all. So we are about to get out of here. This is the body that I did for it when I first was going to buy one. This is a body I painted. I got a Traxxas body. It was like this candy yellow, but it wasn't supposed to be bagged. It's like a candy greenish yellow, but it's not supposed to be bagged in black. It was supposed to be bagged in gray for the color to pop, but I bagged it in black, and as you can see, in the daytime, in some good light, you will be able to, you know, see the little green in it, green yellowish in it, but when it's a little dark outside, you won't be able to see anything. But I am going to use this as a beater body. I'm going to try to keep this body right here, this gray body, in pretty good shape. Yeah, and just use the beater body. But there she goes, man, the Traxxas Rally. This is the Rs200 Rally. I will be getting a run video of this really soon. So y'all stay tuned, get sub to the channel. So when I do put the notification out, you will be the first to receive it and know that I'm running this car. But I appreciate y'all sticking around watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube. And man,